everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. It is your girl, Lovable Tamika. So I am here today. We're going to talk about a couple of things that I eat on a regular basis while on keto and intermittent fasting. So some of the stuff that I got out of Sprouts, some out of Burlington, and I think one item I pretty much got out of Winn-Dixie. But I'm going to show you the different sweeteners and stuff that I use to sweeten up my coffee. French toast. So when I like to make French toast, I like to use a sweetener, but just know that it doesn't matter what you use. It's just as long as it is sugar-free and it has 0 carbs. Of course, there's some things that's going to be carbs on it, but we'll get to that in a second. So as an update, I am 180 pounds, 0.4. So I lost a total of 11 pounds as of today. So it is Sunday. I'm in my week 4, day 2. So I will give you guys a whole month update next Sunday as to how much weight I have lost. So I'm so excited. We're going to start off with Swerve. Alright, so here is the Swerve products right here. I got 2 different already items that I got out of Sprouts. And it's alright. So here's the Swerve. This is the Swerve that I tried. This one has the actual granular sugar. To be honest, this sugar is keto friendly. It says it tastes like sugar. It's gluten free, diabetes friendly, baked like sugar, it's tummy friendly, non-glycemic, and it does have 0 carbs on here. So basically this is what it looks like. You'll see 4, but it does, when you read that, you'll see the reason why it is 0. So this is the best item to basically cook with, like your baking goods. You can use coffee, tea, put this in your coffee and tea, and it'll do just fine. To me, this one gives a little aftertaste. It reminds me of stevia, which is something that I don't really care for because of the aftertaste. I got this Gar gum, which is similar to xanthan gum. So if you want to make, those who are vegan and who want to make vegan cheese, you use the almonds, blend it up, mix it with I think it's either water or coconut oil, and then when you add this xanthan gum, it makes it like a stringy cheese. So this is good for thickening up substance. You can use it for gravy as well. I haven't used this yet, but I do plan on using it once I, get a little fancy with my food. This one here is the pancake syrup. It has 0 carbs and 0 sugar. So this is the pancake syrup. This is the Walden's Farms. They do have different not different brands, but different flavors. This is the one that does not have a flavor. I don't really care for this one too much. As you can see, I did use it quite a bit, but it literally does not, it has an aftertaste. So it reminds me of this. It has a really bad aftertaste. I don't know, maybe because I didn't shake it up well, I don't know. It just has a really bad aftertaste. Okay, so there's different kinds you can try. I wanted the maple walnut, but they didn't have it. So there's blueberry, caramel, chocolate, maple bacon, maple walnut, and strawberry. Of course, when you have flavors, you must look at the back of your ingredients to make sure you are staying within your 20 grams of carbs. Out yesterday, and I got the confectionate sugar, which tastes a whole lot better to me. I can actually put a spoon in it and eat it because it tastes just like regular confectionate sugar without all the added sugar. So I can put this in my coffee and my coffee tastes just fine. It doesn't taste, like a really bad aftertaste, but it tastes sweet enough to where a diabetic can drink this. So this is pretty much healthier. I like the confectionate sugar better. They do have brown sugar. I have not tried that. But to tell you the truth, this right here cost me $8. Literally, it was $7.99, but I think I got this one for $6.99 yesterday, but I paid $7.99 for this thing 2 weeks ago. Another thing that I got from Sprouts, which I'm going to insert a little picture, and that is my low carb bread. If you're not following me on Instagram, I don't know what are you doing, but follow me on Instagram, because you will see what I post as far as what I eat in a day, sometimes like my breakfast. So you'll see this low carb bread that I'm going to insert a little clip on that, and you'll see exactly how I make my French toast. And I use this syrup. I'm not a big fan of it, but I would use this to bake with. This syrup is not really that tasty. I went and got me some Mrs. Butterworth, which is sugar-free. And you can see on the back of it, you'll read the ingredients that I think it's 4 grams of carb, 0 fiber. So that means it is 2 tablespoons. So if I do 2 tablespoons and probably mix it with some confectionate sugar, Swerve, I can make my pancake sweet and then put some strawberries on it, and then that's good enough. As you can tell the difference between these two in size, complete difference in size. Sugars, and this is way down here. I went to, what was it, Burlington, and I got this for $6.99. And this is the monk fruit sweetener with ethanol, and it's 2 times sweeter than sugar. I have not tried this yet, but I heard monk fruit is good. So yeah, but if I like this one better than Swerve, you best believe I'm gonna be getting Swerve. So I found like 5 packs, and I'm gonna insert a video of me in Burlington. Yeah, the sweeteners and individual packs, $3.99. 1 pound. And I was like, I wanted to really buy the whole thing. I should have just bought all of it, to be honest. Then I saw the little individual packets. For me, I'm gonna put these in my purse and put some in the car, so when we do go out for breakfast or something like that, I will have my own sugars. So this was $3.99. This is also another item that I got out of Burlington. It was $2.69. It's this diamond water, and it is alkaline, 9.5 pH. I like it because, for one, I don't really like purified water. I like spring water, but I guess the way it looks, diamond. Cake I made a couple of days ago. I am going to freeze this because I don't eat a lot of this. Either I eat it every other day or just eat one. If you just eat one of these, seriously, that's all you need, is just one. You do not need to eat 2, 3. It's just enough to give you that sweet feeling back in your mouth, you know, that sweet sensation, like, okay, I ate a dessert. You can just eat like a marble cake. I sent my one of my family members, I sent her a recipe on how to make marble pound cake, and it was cream cheese pound cake with icing. And you can make your icing out of the confectionate sugar, which this is the best thing to make your icing out of: confectionate sugar, water. You can add a little bit of lemon or lime in it, and it'll taste really, really good. Another thing that, you know, for being keto, don't think you don't have options. So yesterday, my husband and London and I went to Marco's. This is the pizza, the brand. So we went to Marco's. I mean, it's already eaten out of, but I just want to show you that I got me a pizza bowl. So this is what a pizza bowl looks like. It is meat lovers, cheese, and sauce. That's it. And it's in a bowl itself. This is what you call the bowl. Wine that I got out of Sprouts. Okay. So it's the Cabernet Sauvignon. But the brand name is Tisdale. I was in Sprouts and I was looking for a bottle of wine that is keto friendly. So all I did was, because it does not tell you, you know, all the nutrients on the back of the bottle. It does not tell you that at all. So what I did was I got on my phone, say, hey Google, show me keto wines, and one of them was Tisdale. So with Tisdale, it has different red wines. You have white wines. So talking about pink, I think there was one that's like a rose. That's why I said pink. But there is red wine and white wine, and I think there's like 3 or 4 different wines from Tisdale. But you must look at the nutrients, and it does give you that the carbs and the fiber. It tells you all of that. It gives you everything that you need to choose the healthiest wine for you, that you are able to stay within your 20 net grams of carbs. So I chose the red wine because it was completely zero. So this is the wine here from Tisdale. Yesterday at Sprouts, everything was cheaper. It was like $1 cheaper. This wine is usually $6.99, almost $7, and I paid $5.99 for this. Just like how I said with this right here, with the Swerve, the first time I went, I paid almost $8, and this one was $6.99. So this was about $7. For whatever reason, it was cheaper yesterday. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, this wine is so good. I have been drinking this wine little by little. I don't use a lot. I drink a little bit because of the fact that this is a small bottle. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you take some consideration, or maybe this was a helpful guide to you so that you'll know what to do when you are on keto, or if you're looking to try keto and you just wanted to, you know, get some insight as to what people are eating. This one YouTuber, he has a lot of people that follow him, and he's the one that turned me on to this marble cake, which I'm going to freeze it, and I'm going to get my parchment paper and freeze this up individually wrapped, and then put it in a plastic bag, and then put it in the freezer. But alright, so this is the end of the video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. So please, if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to my video, and then I will see you next week. And of course, remember, next Sunday I am going to give my final weigh-in for being on keto and intermittent fasting for 1 month. So I'm gonna give you my 1 month results. Again, I am 180.4 already. So we'll see what I weigh next Sunday. Talk to you later. Bye.